Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be covering Father's Day t-shirts and also 2 color prints like this one here coming up. Catch you in a minute. Please be sure to stay to the end of the video where I'll have some more additional information coming up for you. So here's the video, let's get it rolling.
This orange ink is extremely thick, so I'm gonna have to screen print it a little different than maybe what you've seen in the past. I'll do it just a little at a time here, and it's so thick it's hard to go over about 3 or 4 times. That particular ink you can't thin, so that's why I'm having to do it the way I'm doing it. I'm just doing a couple of these today, so I'm not using my conveyor dryer. Using my flash dryer as the way to cure the ink.
Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoy these videos that I've been putting out. Your input would be very much welcomed. Just leave some information down in the comments and see what we can do as future videos. So anyways, a couple things on this is you probably noticed the screens that I used on here. I actually made those screens with the table saw. Kind of did the jig on the end and then put them together. They work pretty decent, and then I also have a DIY screen stretcher that I use that I actually built, and it stretches my screens to pretty much to the correct tension. I don't have any tension meters or anything like that. Forgot the name of it. Anyways, they work pretty decent, but with this particular ink on the orange, as you know, as I said in the video, it's a little bit thicker than normal ink, Plastisol ink. I use Plastisol ink on both of these. The white screen mesh was 180 count. The orange is 200 count. And the reason why I did that, if I do lower screen mesh with the orange to push it through a little easier, it tends to gum up. This will be the last time I purchased this particular orange ink because it's hard to deal with. You can't add any thinners or anything like that with it because you'll lose the opaque nature of the ink itself. So I've tried it and it just does not work, and it starts bleeding through. You have a lot of dye migration with that. Anyways, you know, you probably noticed in the video itself, I didn't do a lot of lifting up, you know, and loading the screen first. I have learned techniques with the direction, how to do it without affecting the actual print on the garment. And as you can see, I mean, it's smooth as can be. Not any issues here. See? Hope you can see that. See, it's good. No problems. And if you look at this, there's the orange. Sorry. Yeah. See. But anyways, these shirts are actually geared towards Father's Day, which is coming up here in a few weeks, and every year these shirts become popular. If you would like to purchase one of those, you can check down in the comments below, and I'll have a link to my website where you can purchase those. Also have them on my Amazon website and my Etsy website if you don't want to do direct to my website, and those links will be down below as well. But anyways, this has been just a quick video on how to do a 2-color screen print with a homemade screen, and kind of getting around some ink that's not that easy to deal with. Anyways, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Come back next week for another video that I'll be loading. Next week I'll probably continue on the Darth Vader helmet right here. I'll need to start prepping it for paint, so I'll have to be adding some filler and stuff, sanding that and getting that ready. It's actually been a fun print. It's taken some time, but we just got back from an Israel-Jordan trip, which we took 2 weeks. So that's one good thing about actually owning your own business. You can take off time whenever you need to and enjoy family time. But anyways, as always, thank you for checking out this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time on the next video. Talk to you later. Bye.